everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to make some tilapia fish. I'm going to fry this, and then I'm also going to make some fried rice. So I've got 3 tilapia fish, baby carrots, rosemary leaves, I've got some zucchini, green pepper, red pepper, corn, orange pepper, rice, and then some green peas, broccoli, butter, bay leaves, oregano spice, and the fish spice, curry powder, and the Maggi spice, and my salt. Now I'm going to put the butter in the pot, putting my basilic rice in there, and then I'm going to turn it around for some few minutes. Now I'm adding half teaspoon of raja, some oregano spice, some Maggi spice. I mix it very well. I'm adding my bay leaves, and then half tablespoon of salt, and then add some water. Make 2 cups of water. I'll let this steam until it is well cooked. Okay, for the broccoli, I'm going to steam it. So I add a little bit of water, of oil, a little bit of salt. Now for the fish, I'm going to make some small cuts on both sides. Now I'm going to put some salt. I'm going to dip the fish into baking corn flour. I'm going to dip it in a corn flour. Now I'm going to put my fish into the oil. Okay, now I put my rosemary in there. That rosemary will add on a flavor. Okay, the vegetables, I just steam them. Now it's time to turn the fish around. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Now it's time to make some mixed vegetables. So I put onion on the oil, and salt, curry powder, green pepper, red pepper, orange pepper, zucchini, corn, green peas. I mix this very well, and then I'm cooking it very slightly because I don't want to overcook it. That fish is ready. I'm using the paper towel to drain all the oil. I put the last one there, and my baby carrots. The rice is also ready, and then I'm going to mix this with the green mixed vegetables. Here we go. Oh, it's hot. Anyway, I managed to mix it, and then I'm turning the last fish. Here we go. Dinner is almost ready. All the baby carrots are well made. So I'm making the sauce for the fish. I grated the onion and then put on the oil, hot red bonnet pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 1/4 teaspoon of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of yellow mustard, and 2 tablespoons of sweet chili sauce. So I'm mixing it well, and then I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric and some water, and then some fresh parsley. The fish sauce is ready, so I dish my fried rice plus fish, broccoli, and baby carrots, zucchini, and some sauce on top. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. So Here is the dinner. This looks so nice and yummy. Look at that. Thank you so much for choosing to watch my video, and if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing, or if you have any ideas or any question, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much. Bye bye.